Okay, welcome to our third quarter. Let's see. Okay, Patrick. 30 seconds to shoot. Okay, there's a pushing foul. Jersey number 22, Miss offensive foul pero left back. Second personal foul. Sana ball. Pa-remind me, Wadi Jericho. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Romia. Two points to best. Okay, Basolo. Basolo. 32 wala kaabot. Nakuha ni Kaylarto. Patrick pass to Maynard. Maynard pumasok and what's the threat? There's a foul. 18, blocking foul, Romia. First na foul. First team foul. Rangers number 1, Mr. Suarez Maynard standing on the free throw line. No good for the first round. For the last shot, Mr. Suarez. No good again. Okay, we have a Gasol. So Romia, pumuro yatag niya kang Ronyo, nagdudua siya, yatag niya kang Umpoy.
Masyada ang ring dire kasi sa dire.
Maayos juga ni si Umpoy sa mga jump shot mo. Jump shot mo din? 15 seconds to shoot. Tatawa mo yung Mamaw. 9 seconds to shoot. Kapit po ako. Look, campus niya sa mako na lang. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. To Romia. Kabot, paluap by Elpeche. To Mr. Suarez. Suarez attempt. Bumawi kung hindi pumasok. Naku ni Umpoy. Umpoy ba? Umpoy again. Aboy, nakuhin tayo number 7. Okay, same ball position from Team NHA. 4 minutes na lang po ang oras for the third quarter. Lamang po ng 4 ang Ramil. Munang gata. Kundili Emperador. Sa to? Kundili mo naman tayo. Alfonso. Good ka kung hindi ka afford. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Alpeche. Wala na achieve. Wala ka na achieve. Agoy. Ay. Ano daw? Ay. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Sayang. Lang, basig na si Jericho dyan lang. Tulupagod lang.
Yatod na kate.
Ikaw mo na diyan ang president. Gutom na daw siya. And there's a foul. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 1, Mr. Maynard Suarez, committed. Time out po ang NHA. First foul. First team foul. And time remaining 2 minutes. 40 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a 3 points, Mr. Ronyo. Balik sa GC.
Ato na si ate dia nagdula oh. Nara dia. Tura oh.
15 seconds to shoot.
Ato na
2
ate.
minutes and 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Maynard Suarez. Chadal kayo sinasayo si ang Papa Duha bay.
Ayaw, di.
Pag-holiday ko. 13 na. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes, 6 seconds to shoot. Wala. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. 7 seconds shot clock.
Tuara, oh, nagdula. Ato
1
na, oh.
minute and 36 seconds. 7 seconds shot clock ha. Talento follow up next game. 6 second shot clock. Hindi ako about 1 minute and 30 seconds. 15 second shot clock. 1 minute and 17 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. There's a foul. Jersey number 1, Maynard Suarez. Second, person. Kinsa, jersey number 1. Number 3. Number 5. Ay, Abasolo. First, na foul, second team foul. One wiging mo, Mr. Russell. 15 seconds to shoot. Hindi umabot ang free throw. Seconds to play. Holding foul. Jersey number 2. Ompoy. Second is a foul. 13 fouls. 58 seconds. 14 second shot clock. Napag-nilangin na. 55 seconds. Two points. 45 seconds. Montiera o Bilbuan. Villa Verde LWAs. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 23 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. No more shot clock. 6 seconds.
Yay.
Time is over for the third quarter of this game.